Okay, the annual bonfire. This is going to be a ripper, folks. It's nice and dry, and we're getting it right before any of the foliage comes out, so we won't damage the foliage above. Oh, this is going to be big. Put a little water on the perimeter. Woo! Man, that's a hot one. Wow. Make sure my composter does not burn up. Get a little water on that. It's a lot hotter than it looks. Woo! Holy shnikes. That elephant grass burns so well. Let's make sure the old composter's nice and cool. Get a little shifting in the wind. Better pay attention to that. Great way to start out Tuesday morning. Well, I'm probably 15 yards from this monster, and it's toasty. Toasty warm. Oh, there goes the Christmas tree. Wow, that's spectacular. I'll move back a little bit. That's hot. This could all be over pretty quickly. Alrighty, have a great day.